ag is everywhere. Ag is in every single company that you work for, because you're not only growing knowledge in yourself and just for your own self, but you're growing knowledge for those around you. My name is Maggie Board. I am a senior at the University of Kentucky. This is actually my last semester, and I'm majoring in agricultural economics. A lot of people ask me, like, what is that whenever I say that I'm an ag econ major? And I'm like, it's like economics, but applying it to corn prices and cattle prices and just the agricultural shift. But in terms of having an ag economics degree, you don't directly have to go into the ag field if you don't want to. It's just kind of a smaller, more specialized class environment. So both of my parents graduated from UK. They actually met at UK. My mom's from Lexington. And my dad graduated here with an ag econ degree as well. I do eventually want to follow in his footsteps and just continue the influence that he's instilled in me and my brothers. My first big internship within the ag college was at Farm Credit Mid-America. I did their summer internship program. I was assigned to the brand experience team, so I was very marketing heavy all summer, which was great because I thought I can see myself in marketing maybe eventually down the road, and so I thought this is my time to explore that and see what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and just widen my scope. Because a lot of my favorite memories have happened outside of the classroom. I've made some of my best friends here at UK. It is true, the people make the place. About a month ago, I accepted a position with Farm Credit, and I'll be a credit analyst, so I'm excited. It's a good starting place. A lot of people start there, and then they learn so much, and they're able to just really understand what's going on in the company. So I think it'll be good. I'm very excited. I think it's rare to go into a career field where you can reference and be like, oh, I learned about this in the classroom. You get a lot of validation whenever you go to an internship and you're able to apply those skills. And it's refreshing because you feel like, yes, I'm gonna be learning a lot in my next role, but there's a lot that I'm able to bring to the table. Pushing yourself makes you stronger in the long run.